Welcome to Product Critique, where we bring you the best in home improvement solutions. Today, we're diving into one of the top-rated products for heating and air conditioning systems, the Cuchiilo 5-inch 25 feet insulated flexible duct. If you're looking for a reliable, high-performance duct to keep your HVAC systems running efficiently, this might just be the perfect solution for you. In this video, we'll explore its features, performance, and why it stands out as one of the best 5-inch insulated flexible ducts on the market. First off, let's talk about the quality of materials used in this duct. The Cuchiilo 5-inch insulated flexible duct is crafted with a combination of thick aluminum foil, high-strength elastic spiral steel wire, and an insulating glass wool layer. This construction not only ensures durability but also gives the duct its impressive heat resistance, acid and alkali resistance, and flame retardancy. With its robust build, you're looking at a product that's designed to last while withstanding high temperatures. One of the standout features of this duct is its insulation. With an R value of 4.2, it provides excellent thermal insulation, which is crucial for maintaining the temperature inside your heating and air conditioning systems. Whether you're installing it in your attic or crawl space, you can trust that the insulation will keep the air moving through the ducts at the right temperature, preventing energy loss and helping reduce heating and cooling costs. But that's not all. The insulation also serves another important purpose: sound absorption. The glass wool insulation inside the duct helps absorb sound, reducing noise by up to 85%. This makes it a great choice for those looking to minimize the noise levels in their homes or offices, ensuring that your HVAC systems operate quietly and efficiently. Now, when it comes to flexibility, this duct truly shines. Its flexible design allows you to bend and shape it as needed, making installation a breeze. Unlike other rigid ducts that require elbows and tight angles, the Cuchiilo duct doesn't retract after installation, ensuring that it maintains its shape and helps reduce wind resistance. This feature not only makes installation easier but also ensures optimal airflow. The 25-foot length of this duct makes it versatile for a range of installation projects, and with a 5-inch diameter, it fits standard HVAC systems with ease. Plus, the aluminum foil is self-sustaining, meaning it won't retract once it's installed, which means you won't have to worry about the duct sagging or losing its shape over time. So, whether you're working on a new HVAC installation or replacing an old, inefficient duct, the Cuchiilo 5-inch insulated flexible duct offers top-notch performance with a long-lasting, efficient design. It's perfect for residential and commercial applications, offering the thermal insulation, noise reduction, and flexibility you need to keep your systems running smoothly. That wraps up our review of the Cuchiilo 5-inch 25 feet insulated flexible duct. If you're in need of a high-quality, durable, and efficient ducting solution, this is definitely worth considering. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Product Critique for more product reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more insightful reviews.